I'm fine, teacher.
So in this session, we are going to solve the last question, like the Klemper part. Okay. So we will discuss about that Klemper in this session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I think that's what you are asking in my WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So that part was remaining, and deadline is still not there. It will be after around 1 week. So don't worry about that part.
Yes, sir. And I'm also having the same question on task 10 and 11.
Oh, oh. Yes, yes. The task, I think 10, 12, 11, 12 are related to that one. Yes. That's
Yes,
what I would like to explain in this session.
yes, sir.
So are you whether you have a mobile with you or laptop?
I have a laptop.
Laptop. Okay. Okay. So you have to present the screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please share your screen.
Yes, I'm gonna do it.
So wait for a few minutes so that everyone can join. Meanwhile, you can open the Canvas module.
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone. Ajoy, Ashok. Good noon. Good noon to you. Good noon, Ajoy. Am I audible? Ajoy, Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Good noon.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, okay. Hello, Ashok Noor. Are you there? Okay, so Ajoy, you are using mobile or laptop?
Sir, laptop, sir.
Okay, so today you have to perform in your and you have to complete the remaining tasks. So how many tasks you have completed? How many session assignments you have completed?
Sir, assignment 5 almost complete, sir.
Okay, okay. And have you uploaded all the previous assignments?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Ashok Noor. Hello, Ashok. Please unmute your mic.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, yes, Ajoy.
Sir, I cannot submit the assignment 5 before the deadline, sir.
No, no, no. Deadline is not there at today. Which deadline is showing to you?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so today is not the deadline. About that part, so don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Hello, Ashok Noor. Hello, Ashok. Are you there, Ashok?
Yeah, yeah, I am there. Hello. Hello, sir.
So you are using mobile or laptop?
Uh, I'm in the way. I'm in the way
You are
now.
in the way.
I have mobile and laptop too. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay,
5 minutes
so my
later,
suggestion
I
is
I can use two mobile and laptop. 5 minutes. Just five
okay. So
minutes.
you connect with. Okay, okay, no
I
problem.
completed.
But
I
so maybe
completed a session 5 assignment, but the last the last two three question, three circuit is
yes,
very
yes.
difficult for me. Can you help me?
No, no, no.
The last
Okay, that's what
two
we are.
three circuit
Ha,
in
ha, that's
assignment
what.
5.
That's what. Okay, okay. That's what we have to discuss in this session. Okay, so don't worry about that part. Don't worry. So open the session 5.
Okay,
Rohorimbre.
okay, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so open the session assignment 5. Okay, open that Word document. Open the Word document.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay, you open that one. Open the Word copy. Open the Word copy.
Done, sir. What's this?
Okay, okay. So, what are the tasks mentioned? I think 10 number task. I think 9th or 10 number task that we have to do right now. So, open the Word copy. In the Word copy, your screen is not visible. Your you can say Word document is not visible. Open the Word document of session assignment.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes, it's visible. Oh, yes, it's visible. So this task, scroll up, scroll up. Okay, okay. 9 number task. What is 9 number? Task number 9.
This one.
Okay, this one's okay. Okay, so I think you have already done this one, right? So we will start with the task number 10. Task number 10 we will start because it's related to Clemper part. Okay, so start, open the multi-sim and develop this task number 10.
Yes, sir.
You have to take a sinusoidal resource, then one capacitor of 100 microfarad. Everyone, please remember, you have to choose a capacitor of 100 microfarad and you have to do the measurement across the output side. Okay. So, Rohar Imbro is going to prepare, develop this circuit.
Yes.
Okay, Trinoy, hello Trinoy Saha. Are you there, Trinoy? Hello Trinoy. Give some reply, your voice is not coming. Trinoy. Trino, your voice is not coming. Are you using mobile or laptop? Are you using mobile or laptop? Hello? For this task, you are using mobile or laptop? Hello? Give some reply. Mobile. Okay, okay. So how many tasks you have completed, Trinoy? Rohar Imbre, start the making circuit. Rohar Imbre, start the making circuit. Okay, okay, very good, very good. So start completing the remaining one. Share the full screen so that we can identify what you are doing. Ruvar Imre. Share the full screen. Your multi-screen screen is not visible. Your multi-screen screen is not visible.
Mm. No, okay, sir.
Wait. No, it's still not visible. You stop the sharing and again start that one. You stop the sharing and again start that one. Ruvar Imre.
Yes, sir. Now, okay, sir. Hello.
Your screen is not visible. Your screen is not visible. What happened? At where the problem is?
I don't know, sir.
Uh, Simply click on the share button from your laptop and click on the full screen sharing.
So I have three options. I have your entire screen and
Yes,
a
yes, yes.
window and a
You click on the entire screen sharing. Then after you have
yes.
to click on the center screen. Then you have to click on that button on the full screen. Yeah, now it's coming. Now it's visible. Yes, yes. Now it's visible. Good. So please
Okay.
open multi-sim. Okay, now it's visible. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so start. Rover Imre is making that socket of the task number, I think, 10. Everyone, please focus here. You little bit zoom your screen zoom. Yes, yes, yes. Now it's okay, perfect. You have to use one capacitor, and that capacitor is of 400 microfarad. Yes. Okay, so you make this socket. Meanwhile, ask certain question to students.
Yes.
Hello, Kedre. Kedre. Hello, Kedre. Are you there? Salam,
Hello, sir.
Kedre.
Hello,
So you are using mobile or laptop?
mobile, sir.
Mobile. Okay. So how many tasks you have
Can I share?
completed?
Hello,
How many tasks you have completed, Kedre?
two.
Two tasks. Okay. From the assignment number 5 or which one?
Assignment number 5.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. So start the making of another one also so that you can get confidence. And my suggestion is if you have a mobile laptop, then please use that one. Okay.
Okay.
Meanwhile, other student can ask me the question if you have. Uh, okay. Rover Imre, you click on the enable edit button. You click on the enable edit button. And yes, yes, yes. Now it's scroll down. Now it's look. Now it's better. Yes, yes, yes. Upper one. I think upper one is missing. Yes, that that's what you have to. You please mute your mic.
Sorry.
You please mute your mic. Mute your mic because from the background some child is somewhat speaking like that. So you have to input selection, then capacitor of 100 microfarad, then one diode and one resistor. Yes, select one resistor also. Yes, you have to rotate the diode also. I think your diode also you need to rotate. You check the socket. Yes, yes, yes. So what you can observe in this circuit. So if you observe the waveform, you can set the Y scaling 0 0. You set the Y scaling Y position 0 0. You set the Y position 0 0. Y position. Yes, 0 0. 0 0. Yes, 0 over there. Click it 0. Similarly, in the another one also you can make a 0. Yes. So now check that what happened. Actually, their positions are same, but even though waveform is shifted downward side. So why this thing happened? So because of the capacitor, this thing is happened, and the waveforms are shifted in the downward side. So this circuit is called as clamper circuit. What is name of the circuit? Clamper circuit. Understood the concept? Waveform shape is not changed, but simply their level are shifted. In this one, waveform levels are shifted downward side, right? So open your Word document, assignment document, open that one.
Yes.
Yes, and what is name mentioned over there? In the upper side, negative clamper. Because our waveform is shifted in the negative side, that's why it is called as negative clamper circuit. So like a clipper circuit is cut the level, but clamper is not cut the level, it simply shift the voltage level. Okay, I think everyone got the idea. Is it clear to all? In this one, we have set the Y position 0, 0, but one waveform is comes little bit down because of the charging of capacitor, and that's why you can change the level using this kind of socket. So this socket, in that one, voltage level comes downside by the negative point. That's why it's called as negative clamper. Is it clear to all? Give some reply, everyone. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Lima, Ashok, Joy, Trinoy, Kedre, Ajoy. Is it clear to you? Ajoy, Ashok, Lima. Is it clear? Okay, okay. Good, very good. Clipper circuit is like whatever the task you have completed up to the task in the session assignment part till the task 9 you have skipped. So that is clipper because in that one level is cut. Level is cut. That's why it's called as clipper circuit. But in the clamper, level is not cut. Simply it changed their level position. Their level position is just changed. That's why it's called as clamper. And in the clipper, the level is cut. Ashok Noor, is it clear? Maybe you have not attended the previous lecture. Okay, 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 done. Very good. So now make the next task. Prepare the next task.
Yes.
Okay, yes, yes. So very good. You paste that waveform and diagram over there so that this task can also be over. Okay. You can take a screenshot and paste it. Yes, yes. So what happened? Waveform are shifted upside, right? Forms are shifted upside. That's why it's called as positive clamper. That's why what is called positive clamper. Very good work is done by you. Very good. So simply by changing the position of diode, we can say we can make a positive clamper or negative. Okay, so you take a screenshot of the socket and then you paste it over there. Okay, very good.
So seems
Is
like
it?
it is the same one.
No, 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 no.
So what are the difference?
In this one, input voltage is available in the center line and output voltage is available upside to the zero axis, right? So it comes upside. You are not changing the Y position, even though it's available in the upside. So it's called as positive clamper. It's shifted upside. That's what. Clear?
Uh, yes. Okay.
By default, it's shifted upside. That's why it's called as clamper.
Mm. So can I ask?
Yes, yes, ask me.
So among these two waves, what is the input and output? Is it this one?
We are using. It's just shifted by half of the amplitude. It's just shifted by the half of amplitude. So in our next circuit, you have to get idea that it's shifted two times. That's why it's called as double clamper based circuit. Okay, dual clamper based circuit. This one is just shifted by one level, but in the next circuit, if you make it, then that is shifted by the two side. Please take a full screenshot. Don't take a half screenshot. You have to take a screenshot of the y-axis, x-axis also. No, no, don't take that one only. Take a full screenshot, including the axis position. Yes, yes, take that.
So what about this 12?
What about? Yes, yes. In this one,
This
it's called a voltage doubler because out. Yes, it's in this one output side the voltage are double. Yeah, simply make a same circuit with capacitor value of double. Capacitor is of
yes.
100 microfarad. Take a value of capacitor 100 microfarad. Don't do any other thing change.
So
Take
what
input
is
source.
this?
No, 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 no.
So what is
During the measure. Yes, during the measurement part, we will do that how the voltage comes double. Okay. You have not to make about the 2 VM part. You have not to make that one. Okay. Simply make input source capacitor C1, diode D1, diode D2, and capacitor
yes?
C2. Yes, just make this five component. Clear?
Yes.
now what you can do, take a multimeter also. Take a multimeter and
Sir,
connect
the
it.
David 2 is rotated.
Huh?
The
Diode,
David 2
diode
is rotated.
Yes,
rotated
yes.
also.
Okay, yes, very good, very good. So it represents that you are learning very good. Good, good. Nice to see that efforts. Hello, Burhanuddin. Burhanuddin, are you there? Hello, Burhanuddin. Please give some reply. Yes. Now what you can do? You do one thing. First of all, verify the circuit. Okay. Connect the multimeter at the output side. Yes, yes.
This
Connect
one,
the
sir.
multimeter. Connect the output side. Yes, yes, yes. Negative terminal over there. Yes. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Now what you have applied? How much voltage you have applied?
Wait, this one.
Yes, yes, yes. How much you have applied? 10, right?
Anyway, yes.
10 you have applied, right? Now run the circuit. Double click on run the circuit. Click on the multimeter. Click on the multimeter. No, no. Close this one. Close this one. Okay. Yes. How much voltage is showing? 19.118,
9.
right? Yes, yes.
Yes.
Actually, the capacitor is doing a discharge in the same direction. That's why it's showing a minus voltage, but don't worry about that part. So remember one point, in this one, we have applied just 10 volt, but in the output side, due to the capacitor, voltage that we are getting, that is almost double. That is around 19.28428. So it's almost double. We have just applied 10, but we are getting around 19 point. So this thing represents that output side voltages are double than the applied input. So that's why this circuit is also called as voltage doubler. What is called voltage doubler circuit, right? And the
Yes,
signal
sir.
that we are signal that we are getting, that is almost similar to the, this is almost similar to the, you can say it's like a DC signal. It's like DC signal. Okay, so if you click on the oscilloscope, click on the oscilloscope. Yes, yes, click on that one. Yes, what you are getting, almost straight line. So it's like a DC line, right? Because in this one the effect of capacitors are arrived here, and we are getting this kind of waveform. But the voltage, if you do the measurement of voltage, then it's look like around 19.6 double. So I think everyone got this point. Is it clear to all? Ajoy, Ashok, Burhanuddin, Lima?
Sir, this is not working in my computer. I'm tried.
This is what happened. Yes, Ashok, please repeat.
There is some error.
Okay, at where? In your mobile or laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay, okay. So maybe your connection is not proper. That's why this kind of error is coming. Maybe your error
Okay.
connection is not. That's why. Can you please share your screen so that we can understand all the aspect?
Okay, after
Okay.
Rembi, I can share my screen.
Okay. So wait for a couple of minutes so that he can complete the task. And meanwhile, Ruho Rimbre, please stop the sharing, and Ashok is going to share his screen. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So Ashok, please share your screen so that I can identify your doubt.
Visible, sir.
It's visible. Share your circuit diagram. Open your circuit diagram. Yes, it's visible. Your screen is visible. Open your circuit diagram. Yes, share it. Yes, share it. Share it. Yes, it's visible. Share it.
Okay, this is circuit diagram. What is the problem?
Okay. Okay.
When I click the
Run.
XMMI, there is no any
See, run the circuit.
numbers.
From the upper side, from the green button, you have to click. Click on the green button, upper side.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay, this
yes.
error.
Click.
The circuit is not
Circuit
grounded.
is not grounded. Okay, so ground is not connected. That's why they are asking this error. Okay, click OK. Click on the OK button.
Okay, okay,
Remove the ground and again connect it properly. In the ground is
okay,
mentioned over there in the lower side. Remove it and again connect. No, not over there. Ground only. Not that one. Ground only. Not all the component. Ground only. Ground. It's available in the lower side, most lower side. Ground. That three
okay. This
lines
one.
are there. Yes, yes. Smaller. You can say straight vertical line. Then horizontal lines are there. Lower side, which is most lowest component available. Not that one. Okay.
This
Yes, yes.
one.
Next to that one. Not that one. Shift right. Shift right side. Right here. Why you are removing that one? Okay. Remove that component only. Remove the bottom component only. Okay. Connect it. Don't worry. No. Connect it. Connect it. Yes. Yes. Connect that one. That is ground. That's what is ground is. Okay. Connect it
This
properly
is
and then
ground.
identify. Yeah. That one was ground.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Thanks.
So it's what
Is it
that's what
right,
coming
sir?
over there. Uh,
Is it right?
slowly. Yes, yes, it's right. Perfect, perfect. Very good. You stop the sharing. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Done, 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 done. Very good.
I can
Okay, perfect.
screenshot them.
You have to shift the Y position. That's why it's
Okay.
Y position, not that one. Y, yes, that's what line is coming over there. Yes, perfect, perfect. Rover Imbre. Okay, thank you very much. So now Rover Imbre, your turn is there. Ashok, please stop the sharing. Thank you very much.
Okay. This one line, sir.
That
Straight
one is
line.
output line. Yes, yes, that is output line. Yes. Okay, you can take a screenshot of full slide. Stop the sharing. Stop the sharing.
Okay, sir.
You stop. Okay, okay, okay. Done. Rover Imbre, please share the screen.
Thanks a lot.
Yes, make this socket. Yes, make this one. So very good. He has make a socket. Now what you can do? Listen, Rohar Imre. Now you connect the multimeter one terminal before the capacitor C1 and another terminal after the C3. You measure over there. You connect one terminal of multimeter before the capacitor C1, another terminal after the capacitor C3. Yes. And before the diode, connect another terminal of multimeter before diode. Yes. Remove that one. Yes. Now run the socket. Okay. In this one, you have to change the Y position, otherwise it's not visible because this one is 3 plus socket, 3 time output you are getting. You shift the Y position. Yes, now it's coming. Okay. Simply click on the multimeter also. Click on the multimeter also. How much you are getting? It's very low, right? We have to verify this socket. Okay. So there is some connection issue is there. We will verify this socket in the next session. Uh, okay. No need to worry. We will verify it in the next session. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. And you can stop the schedule also.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone, please write down a summary in the chat box as well as your enrollment number. After that, you can leave. તમને મેં મોકલી ગયો છે ને તમે Everyone, please write down a summary in the chat box. After that, you can leave. If you have doubt, then ask me. Everyone, please write down summary in the chat box. After that, you can leave.